Okay, we're going to be now burning an onglet graver into a wooden handle, and my favorite jeweler in Toronto will be showing you on using this method. He's going to heat up the bottom of the tang of the graver until it's red hot, and he's going to burn it into the wooden handle. You can see the smoke. He's forcing the blade into the wooden handle. He's going to make sure the onglet is in a horizontal to the handle. And don't touch the hot blade. It'll burn your finger. Now he's going to cool it off. Peter, how does it look? Examine the onglet.
It's good. It's good.
Show me the onglet graver, how it looks. It's not leaning on an angle, it's straight up and down, and it's just great. The knife edge is in line with the bottom part of the cutoff of the wooden handle. It's a very simple project. We've got to have a torch to do it. And here you could see the curvature of the blade itself, and you're ready now to do some bright cutting. Thank you, Peter.
You're welcome.